Hey folks, we have a very beautiful picture over here. As you can see, I took it today around 6:30 p.m. and well, this picture was shot on my Redmi Note 7 Pro, but phone cameras are not so capable of capturing the moon like this. So how did I do this? So this is all this video about. I'm gonna teach you how to add crescent moon like this into your image and make it look quite interesting. Now, if I show you the real one, the real picture that I had taken from my phone, it looked like this. And you can see the moon looks quite smaller and it doesn't look good. So the idea is to add a crescent moon onto this picture and look it quite interesting. So you can go online and download some PNG images of the moon and of course add it into your picture. So I'm gonna do this on Snapseed. So the very first thing is that we need to import this picture into Snapseed. Let's do it quickly. So we have our picture into Snapseed. Now what's next? We go to the tools and select double exposure, click the plus icon and select the PNG image of the moon that looks like this. Now guys, let me tell you one thing: whenever you download PNG images of stuff like sun, moon, whatever, okay, you'll get a larger picture. I mean, it looks quite bigger. See here. Now whenever you want to resize the image and try to make it small, see, it gets stuck here and you cannot make it smaller than this, no matter how much you pinch it. Okay, so this is the problem with the PNG images that I had encountered. Now you'll ask, is it possible to resize and make it smaller than this in Snapseed? Well, we can tweak this. So what I did is, you can also do it in a different way, but I'm gonna teach you my way, the shortcut one, of course. So I went to the tools option and select the curves and choose the RGB and drag the blacks to the right. That will make the entire image black. And now if you have any kind of spots, you can remove them, get rid of them with the help of the healing tool. Now I have this moon that I can remove so easily. Now we have a black image. Now the idea is to select double exposure and bring the PNG moon right here. Okay, now we will resize it. Okay, it will not get smaller than this. You can place it anywhere you like. I would place somewhere in the center. Okay, now once it's done, you can save the image. Okay, now we'll open the image into Snapseed. This time, when you import the pic in our picture, you can see now you can do it. Now we can resize the moon according to our choice and place it anywhere. But there is a problem here. If you see, this is before and after. Did you notice something? We have got a faded image. Okay, so what happened actually? If you see these three icons, at the bottom, we will select the second one and select the lighten mode. Now, before, after. So after selecting the lighten mode, we can't resize it, so we'll go to this text option, view edits, double exposure, and click on the slider option. Now we can move this moon and place it wherever you like. Now there is an issue, we have 2 moons. We need to get rid of the first one. Okay, so you can leave it as it is. You go to the original picture and go to the healing tool, remove this moon like this. You go to the stacks, view edits, double exposure, and you get the moon. Now you can place it anywhere you like. I'll place it somewhere here. That's it. So guys, that was it. If you did like this video, do hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for more awesome content like this. So see you guys in my next video with another awesome content. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.